Men from the Pennsylvania 28th Infantry are advancing in the liberation of France with other American and Allied armies along a broad front. Nicknamed the Bloody Bucket Division by the Nazis for the shape of their division patch and for the fury of their assault upon the Normandy beaches, the men of the 28th have become seasoned veterans in the art of hedgerow fighting. Our keystone camera is with a reconnaissance patrol of the 109th Infantry outside Bonneville, when suddenly the crack of a single Mauser shot fills the air. Sniper attack! The GIs take cover and return a large volume of fire in the direction of the shot. It's been reported that veteran Panzergruppen and several hundred despised SS infantry are fighting a rearguard action to cover their retreat and delay the American advance. German snipers using smokeless powder take full advantage of the heavily covered French countryside. The thick underbrush and excellent quality of the smokeless powder make the sniper virtually invisible to the GI. Medics rush to the aid of the wounded under fire to offer assistance. The troops advance cautiously, covering each other as they maneuver to flush out the Nazis. Knowing that it's the tendency of troops new to combat to return fire with little provocation, German snipers sometimes fire at U.S. units while these units are a considerable distance away, in the hopes of leading the soldiers into a crossfire amongst themselves. This is not the case for the men of the 109th, who skillfully close in on the sniper's lair and take him out.